Hello, English wise children. Let's train our clever brain. Did you also enjoy the song about the wild animals? My favorite animal is the lion because the lion is strong. He has big claws that he uses to catch his prey with. He hunts animals like zebras and bugs. Because the lions eat meat, they are carnivores. My favorite animal is the zebra with its black and white stripes. The zebra has hooves like a horse and a tail. Zebras eat grass and they are herbivores. In December, we went to the Kruger National Park. We saw a lot of wild animals. We saw a herd of elephants. They drank water at the river. We also saw monkeys. They sat in a tree and ate the fruit. We saw a giraffe family. They ate the leaves of a tall tree. Then they walked to the river to drink water. At the river, we saw 2 crocodiles. They swam in the river. We had a wonderful time and we hope to visit the park soon again.